Hi guys, I am Felicien and I am back to Hannover, Germany, the 30th of November and the 1st of December. This weekend will be intensive. I count on you and your energy. Two different ways at least to enjoy it. The first one is if you already attend to the teacher training we had this summer, level 1, you have the level 2 and 3 on Saturday and Sunday, intermediate and advanced. If you didn't attend to the level 1, you can still come for the level 2 and 3 and attend to level 1 later. If you are interested with the bootcamps and only the technique, you also have each day 3 bootcamps of 2 hours each. And these bootcamps will be based on different routines I will use to explain how I break down and define if the steps I propose to my students are intermediate, advanced, or beginner. Okay? So you can come for 1 bootcamp, 2, 3, 2 days, 1 day, up to you. Of course, you will have a welcome party on Friday nights and a party on Saturday. And you will also have additional workshops with additional Kizomba, Samba, Jinga, all of these things side to the bootcamp and teacher training. If you want information, everything is on internet, on Facebook or the website. And we count on your question. We are here to answer and we'll see you really soon. Ciao!